Hi, my name is Maria Two Brown. I'm the owner and founder of Two Organics LLC and Two Organics Foundation.
In addition to her entrepreneurial leadership, Tu is a best-selling author of her autobiography book, To Success, where it highlights her resilience, determination, and history of triumph. Her passion for mentoring and helping others is truly unmatched, and her mission of empowering through beauty, transforming lives, continues through the Two Organics Beauty Academy and Two Organics Foundation.
Two Organics Foundation is a nonprofit organization that is committed to uplifting underserved communities, especially women of domestic violence, trafficking victims, and women that are coming back from being incarcerated for many years. Our goal for the foundation is to train the women to become professionals in the beauty industry. Our flagship program will be at Two Organics Beauty Academy. Two Organics Beauty Academy focuses on cosmetology training and entrepreneurship. Our program consists of hair, skin, and nails, and then the entrepreneurship aspect, which is business, plan writing, marketing, plan writing, etc. The goal is for Two Organics Beauty Academy to launch August 2026 in Pahrump, Nevada. The problem we are solving is lack of inclusivity in cosmetology education, high tuition debt with low graduation potential earnings, limited business and financial literacy, and barriers for women who are entering the workforce. Our goal is to assist the first 25 to 50 students that enroll in our school the first year so that they could get complimentary cosmetology kits. So it will be very, very impactful to the students that are low income or are not financially stable to be able to provide these kits for them so that they could start their cosmetology journey with success.
Let's hear from one of her former students.
Hi, my name is Aaron Shaw. I'm an independent contractor here at Two Organics Salon and Spa. I've currently been working here for the last 4 years. I had the fortunate opportunity of Miss Brown. I know her as Miss Brown because she was my instructor at RCC, where she took a chance on me and hired me as a receptionist until I finished school and got my license. I've personally had firsthand experience with Mrs. Brown's guidance throughout my journey in cosmetology school, the attention to detail that she pays to you, and she doesn't play. She's really strict, so you're gonna learn it. And it's a real tough industry out here to make a name for yourself. And if there was anybody that could guide the future cosmetologists of the world, it would be Mrs. Brown.
We need your help. Every single dollar counts. It doesn't matter if it's a $5 or $10,000. We will take anything that you can give. Please donate today to help Two Organics Foundation reach their goals so that we could help these individuals become professionals in the beauty industry.
Donate today.
Donate today.
We thank you so, so much. God bless.
Just click the Two Organics Foundation link and donate today.